The next project I have on the list today is I want to do a little refresh for my outdoor patio. So the problem I ran into is I bought these tiki torches last summer, and I painted this concrete slab, this cement gray type of color. But these little torches ended up rusting on me and making these little rust stains. So what I came up with as a possible solution is I bought some Rust-Oleum spray paint. And you can see how this is already rusted and stuff. So I bought some Rust-Oleum spray paint, and it's supposed to prevent rust. So I'm gonna take all the bases of these little tiki torches and paint them. And then I'm gonna take everything off of here, clean it, and then repaint the entire concrete slab with that concrete gray. And hopefully I won't have to paint it again next summer, and you know, the Rust-Oleum will do its job and prevent all these little rust stains from popping right back up. Got my first coat on these bases. It took care of all the rust. I went ahead and hit up the top of the tiki torches too. They were looking a little weathered. I flip them over, hit them with a coat, hit both sides with a couple coats, and let them dry out. We should be good to go. Got everything moved out of the way. Got it swept. Now I just got to give it a good scrub, let it dry, then we're ready for paint. Now it's time to put a little clear coat on these bad boys, let them dry, then put the heat lamp back together. So it looks like this patio is dry enough, I suppose. I'm probably pushing it a little bit, but I'm trying to go ahead and get at least a coat on before the sun goes down. I would love to finish this project today, but we shall see. So I got my first coat on it, and it's already looking brand new. Put one more on it, and we are good to go. Day 2 of the Handyman Chronicles. So we got the patio painted, it's dry. Put all my furniture and my rug and stuff back out. It's looking good. I haven't added the cushions or put up my heat lamps yet, but that's on the way. But while I was out here, I got an idea. So this is kind of the entryway to the backyard, is where my gate is. But right here leading up to the backyard, this area right here doesn't really get a lot of sunlight, doesn't have the best drainage, so it gets a little muddy. So I got an idea to get some patio pavers, get some concrete patio pavers to create a little walkway right here, and then paint it to match that. So went to Home Depot, picked up some stuff. Let's see how it turns out. So the pavers are down. Try to go with a little bit of a kind of random pattern to mix it up a little bit, do an offset pattern. And now we got them set. Need to paint them to match, and then we're good to go. So we got the pavers painted, put 2 coats on it so that it matches that. I was a little bit concerned halfway through that I was gonna run out of paint. Wasn't quite sure about the placement, but all in all, not bad. Well, it's been a long day, but we are finally done. We got everything painted, put back out, got the sandbag for the heat lamp, got it set up, got everything put back together back here. We got our tiki torches, we got our other heat lamp. Now we have our spring refresh complete, and we're ready to enjoy the space.